goes here, and then it goes down there, has a little piping, and then it goes under the other bridge, and then it goes where the construction you see, and it goes to the United States. Why this pump station? Because it's supposed to be capturing the water that is running here, capturing there, and then pumping to the treatment plant.
Got it.
But sometimes it's not working. Huh?
Yeah.
So the water flows, and then it crosses to the United States, and then it's where the United States like it.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Because they have pump stations for emergencies
Right.
in the United States.
Yep.
But they say they're working 24/7 and they're operating now. Now you can see the trash. That's a big issue if you have a pipe that decides that you have a lot of trash.
Yeah. And so
He's the one who's taking care of this.
Hi, baby.
I think so. He's the one who-
Hi, baby. Yeah, he's watching the video camera. Hi.
Hola, venimos a ver aquí lo del
Hi. Security. Oh, you're doing a good job. You're doing a good job, baby.
balls.
So it looks like this is the only lined canal area here. The water comes down. They have measuring right here to see the level of the water at different times. They have a video camera up here. Four Walls is the nonprofit that's working on some of this monitoring of the real-time data, so they can see when the water's flowing, when the trash is flowing. You can kind of see some of the debris that's here in the canal. We just heard from Margarita. She's saying that a lot of this water, when we have heavy flows, starts eroding this canal and this canyon, which has development on top of it. So you have some geological issues. In the distance, they have the construction of the car travel that they're going to be bringing from the border crossing to Tijuana, or I'm sorry, to Rosarito through Tijuana. So you have more of an express kind of car area. We have our security dog here that's playing. So he's keeping track of everybody and getting a little crazy. But we have lots of construction in the distance here too.